Have you ever found yourself struggling with school in general?
Not me.
Well, here's 5 steps on how to do good in school.
Yay!
Step 1. Get good grades, obviously. You can do this by saying, "Hey, teach, you got my grades."
Just kidding! Work hard and study for those grades.
Do what your teacher says. Work hard, study, and do your homework and assignments.
And don't touch me.
Step 2.
Step 2.
Be nice to other students.
Hey, man, I really like your glasses.
I don't want them. You take them.
Yay! Step 3. You know? Step
4. Stay safe by constantly wearing a mask and washing your hands constantly. Step number 5. Don't be absent or late to your classes.
If you come into my classroom after the bell rings, I'm afraid I'll have to remove your lunch. If you follow all of these steps, you might survive high school. Hopefully.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.